5 challenges every Tier 2 and 3 SME owner faces in 2026. Your revenue is growing. On paper, the business looks healthy, but somehow it doesn't feel that way. The bank account doesn't match the growth. You're still doing everything yourself, and every week feels like firefighting instead of running a business. After 27 years and 150 plus business transformations, I see the same 5 challenges again and again in Tier 2 and Tier 3 businesses. Today, I'm naming all 5 and giving you the actual fix for each one, not just the theory. Challenge 1: Revenue leakage nobody notices. This is the gap between what your business should be earning and what actually lands in your account. It's not one big loss, it's small. An unbilled hour here, a discount given without approval there, an invoice that goes out 2 weeks late every single time. Individually, none of these feel like a problem. Together, they can quietly cost a growing business lakhs every single month. Here's a 5-question quick scan. Ask yourself: 1. Do you know exactly how many hours went unbilled last month? 2. Has anyone given a discount in the last 30 days without your sign off? 3. How many days on average between finishing work and sending the invoice? 4. Do you know your actual profit margin or just your revenue number? 5. Has a client ever paid late without any follow-up from your side? If you hesitated on 2 or more of these, you likely have leakage, and now you know exactly where to look first. Challenge 2: A business that can't run without you. If every decision, big or small, still needs your approval, you haven't built a business. You've built a very demanding job, and you're the only employee who can't take a day off. Try this test. Can someone on your team currently handle a customer complaint without calling you? Can your team quote a price without checking with you first? Can the business function for 1 full week if you are unreachable? If the answer is no to any of these, the fix isn't hiring more people. It's documenting the decisions you're currently making in your head so someone else can make them too. Challenge 3: No documented systems. Most SME owners know exactly how things should be done, but that knowledge lives only in their head. When it's not written down, every new hire relearns it from scratch. Every mistake repeats, and you become the single point of failure to a new employee on their first day. Do this for 5 recurring tasks, and you've just removed yourself as the bottleneck for 5 parts of your business. Challenge 4: Pricing without confidence. You've heard just raise your prices 100 times. But if you don't know exactly what value you deliver, that advice is useless. You'll cave the moment a customer pushes back. The fix is a simple reframe. Instead of defending your price, name the specific outcome the customer is paying for. Not "my rate is 2000 rupees, but this is what it takes to make sure your project doesn't fail the way the cheaper option did last time." When you can name the outcome specifically, the price stops being the conversation. Challenge 5: No real-time visibility into cash flow. Many owners can tell you last month's sales number instantly. Very few can tell you right now how many days of cash they have left if a big client payment is delayed. Track just 3 numbers weekly: total revenue, actual profit margin, not just revenue, and cash runway, meaning how many days you could operate if no new money came in today. 3 numbers, checked weekly. That's the difference between reacting to a crisis and seeing it coming. 5 challenges. Revenue leakage nobody notices. A business that depends entirely on you. No documented systems. Pricing without confidence. And no real-time cash visibility. None of these need a bigger team or more capital to start fixing. They need 15 minutes and an honest look at where you actually stand. Which one hit closest to home for you? Tell me the number in the comments, 1 through 5.